Hello students, in my previous class I discussed about packing efficiency in case of face-centered unit cell and simple or primitive unit cell, and today I am going to discuss about the packing efficiency in case of body-centered unit cell. So in case of body-centered unit cell, we know that in case of body-centered unit cell, each corner contains an atom. 8 corners are there, okay, and center of the unit cell contains 1 atom. So number of atoms in case of body-centered unit cell will be 1 by 8 into 8, okay, plus 1, so will be 1 plus 1, that means 2 number of atoms. Now I am drawing this unit cell again. So now this one, and this one. So this corner to this corner, actually this is body diagonal, this is body diagonal, and this is face diagonal, A, B, C, D. Now at first, in case of ACV, in case of ACP, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square, we know AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. We know the edge length is A, so it will be A square plus A square, that means 2A square. So AC equals to A root 2, okay. In case of ACD, there will be again, according to Pythagoras theorem, it will be AD square equals to AC square plus CD square. So AC square means previously I have got the value. The value will be A root 2. So A root 2 square plus CD square, edge length is A square, that means 2A square plus A square, that means 3A square. So AD equals to A root 3. Now I am going to calculate the packing efficiency in case of body-centered unit cell. Packing efficiency will be the volume occupied by atoms. Volume occupied by atoms, there is 2 atoms in case of body-centered unit cell. So volume occupied by 2 atoms, 2 sphere, it will be 4 by 3 pi r cube by total volume of the unit cell will be A cube into 100%. Okay. So now 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is basically, in this case, AD. What is AD? AD equals to, basically this is the radius of the atom, and this is diameter, and this is the radius. So AD, the value of AD will be R plus R. This is R plus 2R plus R equals to A root 3, that means 4R equals to A root 3, that means R equals to A root 3 by 4. Okay. Now I am putting the value here. A root 3 by 4 Q by A cube into 100%. So it will be 2 into 4 by 3 into pi, it has value 3.14 into a cube root 3 by 4 cube by a cube into 100%. Cancellation will be there. Okay, so after that, if you calculate this value, okay, then you will get the value will be 68%. Okay, so in case of body centered unit cell, the packing efficiency is 68%. Okay, so empty space in the cell will be 100 minus 68%, that means 32%. So in my previous class I discussed about the packing efficiency in case of face-centered unit cell, in case of simple or primitive unit cell, and today I have discussed the packing efficiency in case of body-centered unit cell, and this is basically 68%. The empty space, basically this is 32%. So students, I think you have understood, and that's all for today. And regarding this video, if you have some queries, doubts, then send your queries, problems or doubts to my comment box, and I will solve it in my next class. So thank you.